Hey, future YouTube success story, are you ready to stop dreaming and start growing? Because in just 90 days, you could have 1,000 plus subscribers, 3,000 plus watch hours, a thriving, engaged community, and guess what? I did it, so can you. No ads, no shoutouts, just pure strategy. If you're serious about blowing up on YouTube, this is your moment. First step. Drop I accept the challenge in the comments right now before we dive in. The three-phase YouTube blueprint. This challenge is broken into three powerful stages, each designed to skyrocket your growth. Month 1. Lay the foundation. Most people fail here. This is where you set yourself up for success. First things first, drop a comment below and let me know you're officially accepting the 90-day YouTube growth challenge. Think of it as your commitment to growing on YouTube and hitting those milestones. So go ahead, hit that submit button and let's get you on your way to YouTube stardom. Next, I need you to think about a few important things. Firstly, when it comes to picking a niche, remember to keep it focused. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Choose one area you're passionate about and own it. Secondly, your posting schedule should be realistic and consistent. It is better to upload once a week and stick to it than to burn out trying to post every day. Thirdly, studying successful creators in your niche is essential. Take note of what works for them and try to replicate that in your own videos. Now you're all set to begin your YouTube journey. So go ahead and click that subscribe button to join me here. You'll find valuable tips and strategies to grow on YouTube. Hey, future YouTube sensation, it's time to take your channel to the next level. Let's dive right in. Here's how. 1. Pick a niche and stick to it. No more random content. Lifestyle, fitness, finance. Choose one theme and own it. Example, instead of vlogging about everything, focus on minimalist living or budget meal prep to post 3 to 4 times a week, even with a 9 to 5 job. Mix long-form videos, builds community, plus shorts boosts discovery. 3. Study the top 5 creators in your niche, steal their secret styles, thumbnails, best performing videos. Recreate what works but make it yours. Goal for month 1. Consistency, clarity, confidence for going viral. Focus on building a loyal audience. Month 2. Growth explosion. This is where the magic happens. Now that you've laid the groundwork, it's time to scale fast. 1. Double down on what's working. Check YouTube analytics. Which videos are bringing in subs and watch time? Remix and re-upload your best performing content. Big YouTubers do this all the time. To create searchable content, use keywords people actually type. For example, how to get 1K subs in 30 days versus my YouTube journey. Pro tip, tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ help find high traffic keywords. 3. Leverage other platforms. Share every video on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, even if your audience is small. More eyes equals more growth. By month 2, you line C. More comments and returning viewers, spikes in analytics. Learn what's working and fix what's not. Month 3, push for monetization and momentum. This is make or break time. Will you give up or level up? 1. Go live. Weekly boosts watch time plus builds real-time connections with your audience. Alright, superstar, let's get you set up for success.